Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make some waffles. I'm using a Oster double waffle maker. Okay, and we're going to be making blueberry cheese waffles. That's the waffle mix that I have doctored up in my own way. And cheddar cheese and blueberries, and we're gonna see how that works out. Okay, all right, let me adjust the camera. Let's do it. Okay, thanks. Okay, my base is the pancake mix that it says complete. You just add water. Okay, but we're gonna do more than add water. All right, so let's get started. I have some powdered buttermilk. I'm going to use 2 heaping tablespoons of this buttermilk. This replaces buttermilk that you would buy fresh. Okay, heaping means running over, okay? 2 of those. Okay, let's give that a stir. Alright, now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. 1, 2. This is imitation vanilla. If you have regular vanilla or pure vanilla, you can use that. Okay, then we're going to add some milk. Let's go with 1/4 of a cup first. And we'll see how that goes. Milk, 1/4 of a cup first. Okay, we may add more. Okay, and the last thing we want to add is some olive oil. All right. Okay, that's about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And let's mix this in. Right away I need more milk. So I'm going to put another 1/4 cup of milk. So that's a total of a 1/2 cup of milk. Now remember, we put the buttermilk in here, so that's going to thicken this up as well. Going to add another 1/4 of milk. Now we're on 3. Oh, let's just do a 1/2 cup. Okay, so we got a total of a cup of milk. Because I can see as it's thickening, I need a lot more. So let's see if the total 1 cup of milk get the job done. Okay, now let me get a large spoon to handle that. Still pretty thick. Thicker than I want it to be. Oh, and to start off with, I used 1/2 of the box of pancake mix. This is a 32-ounce box, so I used 1/2 of that. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put another 1/4. So now we're up to 1 1/4 cup of milk. Now you didn't have to use milk, you could have used water. And you can also follow the recipe on the box if you like. Okay, getting somewhere now. That's still a little thick to me. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add another 1/4 of milk, so now that's a total of 1½ cups of milk. And I can tell that that will probably be enough. I hope your day is going along smoothly. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay, that works. See that? See how it's running down pretty fast? That's what you want, okay? You know, cooking is not always with a recipe, but sometimes the recipe gives you the idea and then you have to use your common sense from that point. Okay? Okay, so now we have that all set. We wanna, so this Oster double flip waffle maker is unique because, let me show you. So you got this side, then you put it in, lock it in, and then you turn it over and you have this side. See that? Cool, huh? Yeah. Okay, so let's start off with this side. So you're going to take your brush, this is melted butter, okay? You're going to take your brush and just lubricate inside all around, and you want to do the top and bottom. There we go. Now we're going to put our pancake mix on there. Don't go near the edge because then it'll run all over. We'll try not to anyway. Put it more in the center. Okay, I think that's plenty. So as you can see, I have space around the edge, okay? So now we're going to put our blueberries on. That looks good already, and it's not even done. And then we're gonna put our cheese on. I'm using the other hand now for the cheese. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. Okay, and then we're gonna lock it down. I put cheddar top down and I pushed in on this round piece here, and we have it cooking on, let's go with well, medium is good. Alright, now we flip it over. See that? Pull that back out to open it. Flip this up. Gonna butter this side. Okay, now we do the same thing. Try to put it in the middle. Okay, now we're going to do the blueberries. And the cheddar cheese. Okay, now we're going to lock it in. Alright, and there we have it, folks. How about that? Okay, so we'll be back in a few minutes just to give that time to actually cook so I can show you the first one. And we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, so our waffle's been cooking now for about 5 minutes. Let's take a look. I'll pull this out. Oh wow, look at that. Take a look at that. Huh? Wonderful. How about that? That's so nice. Okay. So now we want to put our syrup on. This first one, okay? And then we'll take a taste. Let me get a plate to pull out the second one. I can't wait to taste it with the cheddar cheese. Okay, I'm flipping it over so I can check out the second one. I don't think it's quite ready yet. But we'll see. Okay, that's brown enough. Okay. And there we go. How about that? Blueberry cheddar cheese waffles. Wow. This is a great tool. So I'm going to experiment with this tool and see what other things that I can make with this. So let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is use what you have until you get what you want. Okay? That's it. It's okay if you wish for something and you don't have it. Use what you have until you get what you want. And one day you will be able to get what you want. Okay? Alright. Hit the like button if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. And God bless you and be with you. Okay? Alright, until next time, let me take a taste before I go, because I know you want to see me take a taste and tell you how I think about it. Okay, so I'm going to taste the one that I put the syrup on already, the first one. I'm dying to see how the cheddar cheese match up with the blueberries. Aren't you? Okay, here we go. That cheddar cheese brings something to the table. I like it. Okay, so you make yours and then you comment to me, okay? If you don't have a waffle iron, do it like you do pancakes on the stove, but add the blueberries and cheddar cheese, okay? Alright, till next time. Bye-bye.